Alrighty, David, here's your 427 small block core. Just got done running it. I'll give you a description of this combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the Edelbrock manifold. Just ran our carburetor. I think you got some carburetor and distributor stuff at the front end. Beautiful setup. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Show you how it ran. Already 3,400, 525 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque looks like 547. Peak horsepower 510. So we're rated at 520. Got the front end on it. It's about 15, so everything's good. Get her off there, get in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.